This is the assembly video for the Hewitt Hydraulic 6100. Lay out in inventory all of your parts and pieces. Insert the leveling leg into the crossbar and secure the leg pin with the included clip. It's important to set the leg height as low as possible during the initial assembly. Final leveling will be done in the water. Point the cylinder mounting tabs towards the bolt entry of your lift. Loosely assemble the cylinder mounting bracket to the long beam, using the 5-inch bolts and backer plates. It's important that there's enough play in the hardware to complete the next steps. Repeat this process on the other side. Attach the long side beams to the bed crossbar using the bed mount plate and the 5-inch bolts. Next, lower the long side beams onto the bed crossbar. Now is a good time to position the long side beams on the bed crossbar. You're now ready to loosely add the bottom 2 bolts. Place the front lift arm into the cylinder pivot box. Slide the 5 1/8 inch pivot pin into the hydraulic lift arm. Secure with a washer and a cotter pin, then repeat this process on the other side. The back lift arm is now ready to be placed. Secure using the same process as the front lift arm. The cylinder mounting bracket can now be tightened down. You are now ready to place the hydraulic bunk bottom onto the lift arm. Use the 4 1/4 inch pivot pin to secure the bunk bottom to the lift arm. All 4 locations will require both a washer and a cotter pin. Slide the 3/4 inch carriage bolt into the top slots of the bottom bunk. Top bunks can be adjusted in or out to match the hull of your boat. The 5 1/4 inch pivot pin gets used at the base of the hydraulic cylinder. Go ahead and insert the pivot pin. Insert your cotter pin from the bottom and bend. Attach the hydraulic cylinders to the front pivot boxes using the 7 7/8 inch notched pivot pin. On the inside, secure with both a washer and a cotter pin. Go ahead and repeat this process on all 4 corners. Connect the hydraulic cylinder hoses straight across from each other. Repeat this process for both the top and the bottom, and go ahead and tighten down the fittings. Position the pump box stand and set it to the appropriate height. With the pump box now set into place, go ahead and connect your hydraulic lines. It's important that the hydraulic connections are securely tightened to create correct hydraulic flow. Place the caps on the top of the leveling legs. Go ahead and connect the ground to your battery. Attach the fuse to the positive lead. Next, attach the fuse to the positive post of your battery. You're now ready to add the hydraulic fluid to your reservoir. This completes the assembly of the 6100 hydraulic